Now, friends, we are going to learn our third angle projection system in orthographic projection. So, first we go for our 3D pictures where we have the isometric job. The observer, it is here. You see the objects always perpendicular to the vertical plane. So this is your vertical plane and this is your horizontal plane. The surface parallel to the ground. The HP and VP both are bounded with our XY line. Now we know the HP plane always moving clockwise. So in third angle projection system, our HP plane always above XY line and our vertical plane VP plane always below to XY line as well as exactly below to HP plane. Now this left hand side profile, it is opening with 90 degree. So left side of the vertical plane, we have the left side profile plane and your right hand side profile plane. When you open this box, always it is in right side of vertical plane. So when we third angle projection system above XY line, there is a VP plane. Third angle projection system, there is a HP plane. Below HP, there is our vertical plane VP. Right side of the VP, there is a right side profile plane and left side of vertical plane, there is a left side profile plane. Now when you observe the objects from front view orientation perpendicular to the VP plane, you can get your elevation as this shape. This is my front view. So the front view always in our vertical plane. So here roughly I draw my front view. With a small square, and we can also visible the top surface. These are the surface, it is visible from front view orientation of the 3D objects, and you can represent in 2D. So my front view in third angle, it is all below XY line. It is always below XY line. It is always below XY line. Now the top view of the objects, when you observe the objects from top view orientation, you can see this surface as well as this horizontal surface which is parallel to the ground. And it can be represented in our HP plane this way. Now one more point here, this hole, square hole, it is not visible from top view, and your square hole So now when we observe the objects from the top orientation, so on top view we can visible this small rectangle as well this surface, and it is appear on top view. But this square hole, it is not visible, so it can show as a dotted line on our top view pictures. And your square hole, it is perpendicular to VP direction, vertical plane orientation, in elevation direction. So when you create your top view on HP plane, so first we can draw this large square as our top view. On this large square we have the small rectangle. So I draw the small rectangle. The surface of the small rectangle, it is perpendicular to VP. So here it is perpendicular to vertical plane. And the square hole, it is perpendicular to VP. So we can represent it perpendicular to vertical plane, perpendicular to XY in our top view. So now in third angle system, always the elevation of the objects, it is below XY line, because of my vertical plane, it is below XY. And exactly above the vertical plane, there is a HP plane. On HP, there is a top view. So in third angle projection system, the front view of the objects below XY line and top view of the objects, it is above XY line. Now we look at our left hand side view. So now I collect the projection. So in left hand side view, you can see this surface as well as this vertical surface. So your left hand side view can be represented with dotted line. This entire square hole, it is not visible from left hand side, so it can show with dotted line. Now your LLP, left hand side profile plane, it is moving 90 degree, so it is on left side of VP plane. So in third angle system, your left hand side view always left side of elevation. That is, remember this one always. In third angle system, my left hand side view of the objects, always we draw the left side of elevation. Similarly, you observe your right hand side view. So the right hand side view, it is also same. With a dotted line. And it is on right side of elevation. So here I draw the right hand side view. Always it is a right side of elevation in third angle projection. So there is a biggest difference in third angle projection system and first angle system. So in third angle projection system, the front view always below XY line, top view of the objects exactly above the front view, and left side of the elevation, there is a always left hand side view in third angle, and right side of the elevation there is a always right hand side view of the objects. So this is a basic foundation before understanding, before starting your orthographic projection. Thank you for attending the class.